Hey guys, it's officially the last week of working for 2024 and I'm so excited. Pangit nga lang ng timing kasi nag-expect ako ng feedback from a client ng Thursday. So hopefully kung may paparevise siya, matapos ko kagad ng Thursday para malaya na talaga. Yun lang. I just finished working. I just have my coffee here. Kanina pa to, as in. Excited din ako tumakbo kasi I got a new pair of running shoes. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung mga decision ko sa buhay. Ginagamit ko yung shoes ko ngayon. Nagpapalitas ako. So, akala ko dahil manipis yung socks ko, pero kahit nung kinapalan ko yung socks ko, nagpapalitas pa rin ako. Sa ibang lugar naman. Napa ako. So, I think worth it naman siya. Basta gamitin ko lang lagi. Currently 2:30. So, mga 2 ako natapos magtrabaho. Just taking a break kasi I didn't get to take a break earlier. Tapos, mga 3, mag-warm up na siguro ako. Or maglalaro muna ako. Usually, 4 naman ako maalis ng bahay pag tatakbo ako. Gusto ko lang itry yung bago kong sapatos. Pero medyo sore pa yung legs ko. Ayun lang. Sana nagre-record to. Kasi baka full na. Nakakaloka, dumating yung Shopee ko. Habang tumatakbo ako. Tumakbo ako pa uwi, Rosie. Opo, tumakbo ako pa uwi. 5K run. Done. Alam nyo, pinalitas ko rin ako, nararamdaman ko. Wala sa sapatos ang problema, my God. I think it's the socks. Itong socks na naman yung ginamit ko. Kung naman ito gagamitin kahit kailan. Pang-parma lang siya. We're heading out today. That I wanted to get some coffee, but our initial plan was to go to Wilcon for some construction stuff and then go to Riverbanks to get a massage. But with the holiday rush and the perya, it was so impossible to get parking and ang intense talaga since sobrang daming tao. And I have no idea that Wilcon closes at 7 p.m. Diba, holiday season, shops are closing at 10 or 11 p.m. and Wilcon closes at 7 p.m. So I took my time getting ready, tapos ayun, nasaraduan kami ng Wilcon. We ended up here at Inarawan Coffee. This one is at Concepcion, but I think they have other branches as well sa QC, pero alam ko meron pa silang Marikina branch. Based on their decorations, I think they started as a coffee cart, yung mobile na cart lang. And then, yan, dami na nilang branch. But I wanted to try their holiday special. This is Puto Bumbong Latte. They have it in iced and hot. I like this because it's not too sweet. Tapos na-enjoy ko nguya-nguyain yung ginadgad na nyog. Pero yung tatay ko hindi niya na-enjoy because he would always order an Americano or espresso shots, just the shots.
Tulog ka na ko pala.
Talaga ng kape nila. And then we went to Nuathay to get an actual massage. Medyo sketchy na yung walls dito kasi lumang branch na to. My sister and I went here by tricycle because there's no car parking here. Tapos, yung tatay namin nakamotor kaya naasar namin siya. Kuya, ba't mo kinuha yung bag ko? Pag-ilang Kuya, ba't mo kinuha yung bag ko? I forgot to end the vlog. Good night from our bed to yours. That pala po yung five. Hi guys, it's Tuesday. Wala akong vlog for today. Wait lang, lapit sa mukha ko. Today is Tuesday, tapos wala akong vlog today because I played the whole day. Tapos di ko ma-videoan yung sarili ko na naglalaro kasi sa phone ako naglalaro. Natapos ko na yung Pokemon. We're on our way to Layman's to try their holiday drinks. Saan may pagkain? Holiday food. It's 10 p.m.
12 sila magsasara. Kasi kagigising lang ng isa dyan. Wala naman akong problema dun kasi kakatapos ko lang maglaro. Dapat matutulog na nga ako eh. Naulunan ba kayo? Sorry. Pwede mag-sorry. Ba't ako ganito? Nandito na kami. Tapos gusto ko pa mag-tricycle ka. Oo eh, man. It's raining, man.
This is gingerbread latte and this is peppermint cocoa. Tapos, meron kaming freebies kasi bumili kami, guys. Picture na kita thick fries with cheese and garlic mayo. Sarap. Sarap. Hi guys, I'm currently here at Lola Nena. I'm here alone. Actually, I just ordered triple cheese donut, tsaka chocolate. Cafe of the night. We're here at Franken's. We ordered fochata, dirty fochata. This is ube. This one is taho. And I'm still with my sister. They don't have any holiday drinks, so I just chose the one with ube. But coffee here is so good, you guys, I swear. We actually had wrong intel. Someone told us that they have peppermint mocha, and I'm crazy for all that peppermint stuff. But unfortunately, the barista don't even like peppermint. You can also get your single origin beans here. They roast their own beans, and as far as I know, they also supply to other shops. I love this place so much, and I will always vouch for their coffee. For me, it's still the best coffee in Marikina, with Agimat coming as a close second. But unfortunately, I didn't get to try Agimat for this video, but they have a very interesting menu, so you should also try them out. They also have a cat here in Frank, and I think his name is Mike. Star of the night. Home from a coffee date with my best friend. And she got me a gift. Na-feel bad ako kasi akala ko wala ng gift. We went to Kamalig Cafe. I didn't get to take a video because yung LEC tsaka yung ilaw nag-ano siya, may issue silang dalawa. Kaya nagbi-blink yung video, kaya hindi na lang ako nag-bother. Ang cute! Ang cute! Besh! Pang sexy time ba to? Oh my God! Ang cute! Susuotin ko na. Hey guys, I'm currently editing. No, I'm transferring the files from my phone to my laptop, and then I'm going to edit a vlog. I have this pizza from Kamalig Cafe, the one that we went to earlier. We ordered too much, so we didn't get to eat the pizza, so we just had them for takeout. Gonna eat this, edit, and then maybe upload tomorrow. So I just want to end this vlog because it's too long, I think. See you next year. Bye!